Okay guys, so we are leaving for skiing and checking out this room. Okay. And we're checking out and we're checking out and we checked out. And so today a snowstorm is about to hit the valley, and we are thinking about going to skiing, but we're not so sure about it. Like, once it starts snowing, we're gonna have to put chains on our car. I've never done that before. But I'm pretty sure it won't be hard. I can do it. The guy where I got the chains from, he told me how to do it. So yeah, based on that, I think I will be able to do it. And so I'm gonna go check out, get Starbucks, get a cheese Danish, get some gifts, and get going. Okay, I was trying to find something at this gift shop. It seems like this gift shop, well, it sucks. So as you know, if I go on a trip and nothing happens to my car, so there's something wrong. So my car's battery died on me, and these guys were pulling back. You know, these guys helped us jumpstart my car. It's working. I'm gonna keep it on for like 30 minutes, play some good music, and enjoy. Let's go. Nothing can stop us. So we're trying to look where to go for skiing, and we stopped here, and Ankit went to ask someone, and he's coming back. So let's see how we get there. So I was driving with Ankit, and we were on our way to Badger Pass. That's where we can do skiing. And then everyone started to pull over on the left-hand side on the road. So you know, everyone's pulling over, so we gotta pull over, check out what's up. And so everyone pulled over, and then it seems like this is some sort of a stop point with some water flowing down. Ankit already took off, so let's go and check it out. I'm gonna show you right now. Super windy here. I don't know if you can hear me. It's super windy. If you can't hear me, I'm gonna do some voice over here. But some part, Ankit's over there. Right, it's beautiful actually. Super cold, but yeah, that's fine. Okay. Gonna take some cinematic shots here. This is beautiful. So I've been using GoPro on my chest. I've been vlogging, but I don't have a lot of footage with me in it. So I requested Ankit to help me out and make some video for me, like with me in it, because I know. Wait, he's filming me on his iPhone, and yeah. Should go a bit ahead. Yeah, I think I can. A little bit. Gotta be careful, rocks are slick. Okay. Alright. So this is where I'm standing right now. And I'm gonna take a photo. So I took a photo. Okay, so let's go. Like I said, walking on rocks is super easy, but you gotta make sure you got non-slippery shoes. Let's go. This is Ankit. You know what? You heard him. He said, "Hey." That's it. And that's it. Okay guys, so we were driving, and we were on our way to Badger Pass, and so it started to snow. Literally, it's snowing right now. It's like a little small snow crumbs or whatever, but it's snowing. I don't know if you can tell, and it's expected to snow even heavier in a while. So we are at this tunnel viewpoint right now. I don't know if you can see me. Alright, you should not see me, you should see the view. You can tell it's snowing right now. Okay guys, so let's go back. It's starting to snow. I'm gonna rush back. This is Ankit taking out stuff. It's cold. As you can see, we took some awesome photographs here on last view. It's starting to snow. I'm loving it. And be here all day long. Like, I'm so super excited to see snow. I've never seen snowfall. Like, I've seen it day before yesterday, but I've never seen it starting, and I didn't get to enjoy it. Okay guys, so we were thinking when's the best time to put chains on, snow chains on. So there was this ranger in the middle, and there was no snow. It was snowfall was going on, but there was no snow on the road on top. And the ranger told me it's okay as long as you are carrying it, and when you see snow on top of the road, that would be the best time to put chains on. So at this point, there's a lot of snow, and there was a turnout. So I see a lot of vehicles pulling over here. Even four-wheel drives, and putting chains on. And so me and Ankit, we're gonna put snow chains on our car, play with some snow, and do some logging, just for you guys, so that you know what to do next time. So it's snowing outside. I got one jacket on, one cap. This is not enough, so I'm gonna put another jacket on, and let's try to put snow chains on my car. I don't know. I've never done it. Honestly, I have not seen a video, like a tutorial, but where I got my chains from, the guy told me how to put them on, and he also told me, like, if you need help, people around you, they'll be more than willing to help you out. And yeah, I see there are a lot of people around me, and rangers are like patrolling all the time. Rangers here are awesome. I have so much respect for rangers. They're nice. They're nice. They're respectful. All of them. When they approach you, all they're concerned, in my opinion, is your safety. Are you okay? Do you need anything? You know, they're not trying to bother you. They're just concerned about your safety. And driving here in snow, it's not easy. I mean, I've never driven in snow, so it's a bit of a challenge. They're doing it. I mean, I really have. You know, sometimes you realize something once you experience it. So this is just one of those moments. I see them like parked on every turn. I see them, like, whenever I stop, I see them asking me if I need anything. I mean, really, thank you, National Park Service. Okay, let's put chains on my car. I got two-wheel drive Mazda 2012, I think, forward wheel drive, and I got snow chains, so let's get going. First of all, I'm gonna put my jacket on. All right, so you guys are going to be with me on each and every step. Okay, all right, let's do it. Okay, as you can tell, it's snowing. It is snowing, you can tell. And this GoPro Hero 8 is awesome. I love this camera. I can tell. Hashtag GoPro. This is awesome. Everything's black and white. I mean, a little bit dark green, but mostly black and white. And this is beautiful. I mean, you can tell. Let me just get some cinematic shots.
तो पहले स्नूड लगा लेते हैं, स्नो चेन लगा लेते हैं, उसके बाद करेंगे.
Okay guys, let me put some jacket, and I'm gonna ask Ankit to hold my GoPro. पकड़ेगा? मुझे जैकेट पहननी है, मुझे रिकॉर्ड करियो. पहले तू कर ले. Okay. So first he's gonna secure himself, then I'm gonna secure myself, and then we'll go from there. This is real snow. Like, this is not ole. Ole means hail. This is not ole. So I'll Google what ole means in English. I think hail, I think, but I'll just verify and I'll put it in the caption so you'll see it down here. Okay, so snow going in my car. Who would have thought? आगे पीछे का भी सीन रिकॉर्ड करता है थोड़ा सा. So you gotta secure yourself, guys. Okay, now gloves. It's better to be safe than sorry, you know? You know what they say. I mean, if it's your first time experiencing snow, if you're your first time in Yosemite, just follow what I'm doing. You guys will be fine, okay? As long as I leave okay here, from here, you'll leave okay here. Okay, let's do it. Let's put some snow here. Okay, record. So I got these two. These are snow chains and I don't know what the heck is this. This is like supposed to keep the chains pulled up together. Let's figure out. Bad idea. Oh, I see. They're smart. These guys are smart. So just press it. Yours might be different. Oh, there's like a guide in there of how to put it on. Okay. I'm pretty confident I can do it. Otherwise, I'll ask for experts' advice. That was a joke. There's no expert here. And it's gonna take a lot more time with gloves on, but it's just better to avoid hyperthermia or whatever the hell you might get. I don't know. Okay. Wait, there are only two. Okay, I got a question for you guys. I only got two, so I'm assuming these are for just two tires. Front wheel, rear wheel. No idea.
I guess front.
Let's not guess.
You can ask him.
I just got two in my box. I go to go on the wheels. I got two wheels on
The car?
Yeah.
They go on the front.
For a two-wheel drive.
Or two-wheel drive. Yeah, because you have both sets.
Yeah.
You have two chains.
I got two chains in the box.
Okay. Yeah, they go on the front.
Only?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks. So fun. It is.